Hey guys, welcome back to VL InfoTech. Today in this video we will see how to write a Python program to add elements to a tuple. So let's get started. For example, here x is the tuple which containing elements 14, 37, 76. Now we need to add an element 30 to this tuple. Basically in tuple we cannot add, remove, insert elements because tuple is immutable. Now, how can we add elements to this tuple? We will see practically. So let's get started. First, we will write the program and later on we will discuss the program. Yeah, we are done. Now we need to save the file. So click on File, click on Save As. Now you can give any file name. tuple2.py. We need to save the Python file with the extension .py. So tuple.py. Now click on Save. Yeah, file is saved and also we got Python file here. Now we need to execute this Python program by using command prompt. So click here and type cmd, enter. Now cd space desktop, enter. Dictionary, enter. Now you have to give the file which we have saved just now. So file name.py, enter. See, 30 element is appended. Now we need to save the output. Yeah, copy the output and paste. Now we will see the code line by line. Here x is the tuple of elements which is containing 14, 37, 76 as the elements. Now we are printing tuple. So here 14, 37 is 37, 76 is printed. Now we are converting tuple to list. To convert tuple to list, we have to use list function. So list of x, it is converting tuple to list. And after that, after converting tuple to list, we are appending 30 elements to the list. Because list is mutable, we can add elements, remove elements in the list. So by converting tuple to list, we can add elements to the list. And after that, after adding the element, we need to again convert it from list to tuple by using tuple function. Tuple of x. After adding the element 30, we are converting list to tuple by using this list of x. After converting that, we are printing the x, which is tuple. So we got output as 14, 37, 76, 30 is a tuple. In this way, we need to add elements to the tuple by converting tuple to the list first, and after appending, we need to again convert the list to tuple, and later on we need to print the tuple. I hope everyone clear with this code. If you have any questions, please comment down below. That's it for today's video. We will see more further complex programs in future videos. So please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding, keep learning.